If you want to have true power in your classroom or in your house, then pretend like your classroom or your house is the house in the movie Up. You know what I'm talking about? The house that's floating around with the balloons. Meaning you open that door, there's no director, there's no supervisor, there's no parents. If you have that as your reality, just play around in it. How much harder will you work to make sure that your classroom works? Now I remember if I was doing this workshop 15 years ago, oh, well, I have to do this and resources. Now, it's amazing. Anybody have one of these? It's a computer that makes phone calls. Right? Have you ever heard of Google or YouTube? Sorry, okay? You can literally give your kids a do now. You know what a do now? Everybody give me 20 jumping jacks. And the kids, because if you don't give them a do now, they'll find something to do now, and usually it's not like, let me write poetry. It's like, let me find out what this book looks like on Billy's head from the side. So if you have that mentality of empowerment, then you get to choose how much responsibility to take on in your classroom, and that also dictates the amount of power.